In this lesson, we'll start talking about the character and paragraph panel, and you'll learn about Lorem Ipsum. This is the character and paragraph panel. I like to have this open when I'm working with type. Right now my color is at purple. I'm going to click on it and choose a white. If I click here and drag up to the left, I can click on OK to implement this white color. Click OK. The first thing I do is I don't change any options in the character palette. What I will do is go to the paragraph panel and select Center Align the Text. You can also do this up here. And then I'll click somewhere at the top in the middle of the document. You can judge it by just looking at the document and clicking in the middle. And the text that's displayed is Lorem Ipsum. Let's talk about Lorem Ipsum. Lorem Ipsum is a placeholder or dummy text used in design and publishing to demonstrate a layout's visual form before the final content is available. It appears as scrambled Latin text that has no real meaning. This allows designers to focus on the overall look and feel of a page without being distracted by the content itself. So if you don't know the title of the magazine or the articles that are going to be in the magazine, you could use Lorem Ipsum as a placeholder. This lesson will continue in the next video.